Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that according to a survey, 73% of millionaires have invested already in crypto or would like to invest in crypto in the close future. The second news is going to be about that key pandemic relief programs are set to expire very soon, around end of the year, and nobody knows what's coming next. The third is that Uniswap lost 57% of its total value locked by vampire attack. And what does it actually mean? I'm going to tell you in today's video and all this. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're interested in blockchain and cryptocurrency, you would like to stay up to date, then you definitely should subscribe. And then after you hit subscribe, click on the notification bell and then all, so you get these videos as soon as they out. I put these on YouTube every weekday. So every weekday from Monday to Friday, you're getting the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news from us. It's crucial in these times to educate yourself, and these videos are free, just like our course, for example, which is how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. A lot of valuable information. The link is under this video. It's totally free. And we have another course as well. If you would like to dig deeper, it's totally up to you. You find all the informations under this video. And now let's move on, check out the market. So Bitcoin, after going up and up and up, which we have seen for weeks now, it went down, but just a little bit. So actually right now it's at $17,479, which is a 2.5% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum also slightly down, $471 at the present, which is less than 1% decrease. And then let's check out the winners. We have OKB token going up 18%. The main reason for it is this news. Well, I have found that OKX token rallies on rumors founder XU, whatever you pronounce it, released from custody. However, there is nothing official on the OKX website or Twitter page so far about it when I'm making this video. But because of these rumors, that's the main reason why OKB, their token, is pumping 18%. You have Yearn Finance 12% up, and Huobi token plus 9%. Could be for the similar reason, but I'm not sure about it. And let's check out the losers. We have NAM, 14% minus, Bitcoin Diamond. We do know that yesterday it went up quite well, so now it's going down 13%. And we have Ample fourth, again under the dollar, minus 10%, roughly speaking. And now let's move on to the first news. And this one is about a survey. A survey of millionaires finds 73% own or want to invest in crypto. And as you can read it here, the number of millionaires wanting to buy cryptocurrency is one on the rise, with the new survey indicated that, as I said, 73% want to own digital assets before the end of 2022. Good question. Why end of 2022? They might totally miss the next bull market, which they rather should prepare nowish than, in next year or something like that. But this is according to the survey. And the survey revealed that 73% of respondents are bullish towards cryptocurrency, of course, because those are who want to invest, increased from 68% in 2019. So back in 2019, when they did the same survey, it was 68. Now it's 73. It's not a major increase, but if you're looking at the participants, it's a quite big percentage overall. Participants were individuals who had more than £1 million, which it's about 1.32 million US dollar. So that was the criteria to participate in the survey. They were selected from a wide variety of regions, including the United States, UK, Asia, Africa, Middle East, Australia, and Latin America. And this guy, Nigel Green, the Deaver Group CEO and founder, noted that in the survey that Bitcoin had once again been one of the best performing assets this year, with a year-to-date increase of 125%. And he added that as the survey shows, this impressive performance is drawing the attention of wealthy investors who increasingly understand that digital currencies are the future of the money and they don't want to be left out. This is very important. If the awareness of the people that Bitcoin is here and how well it's growing, and those who simply just ignored Bitcoin in the last 11 years or so, they lost a lot of gains. They just simply left out. And now when we're looking at the news and the predictions, which way Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are heading, there is still a big potential in them. Therefore, now, at least, it's not the case what it was back in 2017 during the bull market, or even before it, when people said it's a scam. Sure, there are people around who are saying it's a scam, but now more and more people take it serious, and which is new thing in 2020, that we have seen many institutional investors, companies, and professionals, investors who started change their mind. For example, JP Morgan back in 2017 said it's a scam, and now it's strongly supporting Bitcoin. So 2020, there was a change how people view Bitcoin, and it's very key that now we're talking about professionals, because the hype of 2017 was mainly retail. But in 2020, the reason why the price is actually quite close to all-time high is because of the professional investors. They putting money in Bitcoin, and this is a totally different scenario. And of course, the millionaires are millionaires for a reason. Therefore, they're probably looking for opportunities. And now that they see this, that's why it increased, according to the survey from last year, 68% to 73%. And actually, probably this number will keep increasing in the close future. So this is definitely bullish when we're looking at Bitcoin, how people approaching crypto and Bitcoin in general now compared to the previous years. The second news is a kind of news which, brings some worry into the market. Mainly that key, pandemic relief programs are set to expire at the end of the year, and no one knows what's next. So, remember why Congress moved swiftly to deliver trillions of dollars in pandemic relief programs when the country first shut down in March. A lot of these benefits have already lapsed. And, just several, a couple of them. Here is about the unemployment. 3 programs to help out of Americans exist. Not all of them are running right now, because why the $600 payment enhancement lasted only 4 months. The other 2 running, run through the week, ending by December of 2006, end of this year. And this is just one. This is all about the unemployment kind of thing, support. Then we have the student loan thing. We remember that it's supposed to end sooner, by end of September, beginning of October, but Trump later moved the date to December 31st. But this is also coming in a month and a half, and nobody knows what's next. Everybody is, worrying about the result of the election. Is it Biden? Is it Trump? Okay, now it's no question. It's Biden, but still, he will take his, will start his work on the 20th of January. And we have there a nice gap between that. And therefore, it's very uncertain what's going to happen with all these things expiring. and what's happening until that, and also will he make some moves on his first day, or it also takes time. So there is a couple of weeks which we don't know what's going to happen. We have, for example, paid family leaves. These benefits also set to expire on the 31st of December. So what we can see that now, okay, we were busy with the election, and now it was a kind of relief that, wow, okay, yeah, now it's over. It looks like Biden is now the winner, and then, okay, let's move on. But now we can come back to our daily problems. And this kind of stimulus check issue, which they promised they're going to bring out, but we don't know actually when. They just said, I mean, at least Trump said, who is not, who won't be the president, as it looks like now, from January, I mean, from the 20th of January. He said it will come after the election. But we do know that both parties actually pushing stimulus, so okay, there is a nice probability. But the question is that when it will happen, and we do not know any dates yet. And this is again uncertainty, and this is the worst thing what can happen to stock and to the market. That's why we could see stock declining now again. And yes, as we could see, Bitcoin has stopped a little bit as well, going sideways a little bit down, because even if we wish, we are decoupled from the stock market, and we had periods when it behaved, Bitcoin and the stock market, differently. But it's not totally true. We still correlated to the stock market. So, yeah. So these are important issues we have forgotten about for a while, but they still exist. And the problem with the pandemic and the things which are out now, it's just getting worse and worse, because yes, there are promising news about the vaccines. Now, maybe several of them will be available, but wait to the point that you actually can be vaccinated and it will be enough for people, the people dare to do it. And then when will the whole economic situation be fixed? That's also matter of time. So maybe the worst is still coming. Okay, third news, it's about vampire attack. And basically what's vampire attack? Sushi was attacked like this. It's very simple. When competitors, in this case, for example, 1inch or SushiSwap, basically taking away kind of customers from you, like that's why the vampire, like sucking out the customers, like the vampires sucking out the blood. And you can see here that rival decentralized exchanges are upping their liquidity mining rewards to attract Uniswap's former liquidity providers, and leading to SushiSwap TVL, total value lockdown, tripling in 1 week. This is crazy. Here you can see on the 17th of November, the same day that Uniswap rewards ended, the cloned AMM SushiSwap announced a new incentive scheme for the same 4 pairing previously incentivized by Uniswap. So basically they said, okay, you don't get the rewards there, you get it by us. And Uniswap total value locked, or in short version TVL, plummeted by more than 1 billion in less than 24 hours that day. That day, it's 24 hours. Since posting the record high of 3 billion 0.07 on the 14th of November, so not long ago, Uniswap's TVL has crashed 57.5% down to 1.3 billion. So basically, they're saying, okay, the liquidity providers, they believe, okay, you don't give me those rewards, but the others are giving, so let's move, get those rewards. And this is basically what happened. You can see that, by contrast, SushiSwap TVL has rocketed nearly 160 since 17th of November, and today is the 19th, so we're talking about the 2 days. From 407 million to 1 billion 0.5. That's a very nice increase. It's up more than 313% since 1 week ago. So even higher. So this is when we're talking about vampire attack. In this case, it's the victim is Uniswap, and the liquidity provider simply moved to other DEXs because they're giving better rewards now. However, I think that Uniswap is still the original one. SushiSwap is basically just a copy of it. They are the ones who are doing the research. They are the ones who set up this whole thing. I do know that they're working on version 3. Version 1 and 2 is out, and now they're working on version 3. So all the developments, everything is happening with Uniswap. SushiSwap is basically just copied it because it's open source. And therefore, it can happen that, okay, everything turns back. This is just now a hype. But of course, the future will tell. It's a big competition between these guys, And, it was, remember when Uniswap came out with the airdrop, 400 uni to all the addresses. Everybody just, went there. And now, they dropped the rewards. And then SushiSwap said, okay, come to me. I'm giving them to you. Then, okay, people go there. So it's like a kind of ping pong game. But we'll see. Yeah, the future will tell how it works out. But interestingly, Uniswap coming with the version 3, how it will change, what will be the updates in that, and maybe it will attract people again. So, yeah. This is the case. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked the content. If yes, then smash the like button. I highly appreciate it. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're interested in crypto and blockchain, you would like to stay up to date, I'm making videos for you every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, you're receiving a video from us here on YouTube. But for this, it's very important to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then also you get these videos immediately when they're out. Don't forget, it's free and you can educate yourself with this. And education is the key now to stay up to date, because then you have the knowledge to act when it's necessary. Also, free course, the link under this video, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You have nothing to lose. Just learn from it, be prepared for the bull market. And if you're even more interested in crypto, we have another great course about Bitcoin and blockchain, the fundamentals, what you really have to understand before you invest, because otherwise you don't know what you're investing in. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Tomorrow I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Have a good one. Bye-bye.